If you are a company, a business, or business owner, and if you have a forklift equipment working at your site, you need to make sure the employees who operate the forklift must have the proper training in order to operate the forklift. OSHA laws includes a provision that states only trained and authorized personnel can operate the forklift. Forklift Academy developed a very simple and affordable solution to ensure your company meets OSHA regulations. The Forklift Certification Train the Trainer Kit. The Trainer Kit includes all the documents required to have an OSHA-compliant forklift training in your company. It includes a free forklift operator training movie, certificate of achievements and licenses, a CD with a PowerPoint ready to start teaching the training, all documents required to ensure compliance. For example, attendance sheets, permits, skill assessments, etc. The test and answers. How the kit works. You will select someone from your team to be the trainer. Typically, a trainer will be a supervisor, foreman, or a manager with some experience operating the forklift. You can train unlimited number of students with the Forklift Trainer Kit. Initially, we will include 20 licenses and certificate of achievements, but if you need more now or later or next year, let us know and we will send you more for free. You can reuse the Forklift Trainer Kit over and over again after 3 years. The kit includes training to operate 7 classes of forklift. For example, sit down, stand up, pallet jack, extended reach, narrow aisle, rough terrain, etc. Remember, a forklift certification refresher is required after 3 years, and any time if an employee is involved on a forklift accident. The Forklift Trainer Kit comes on a binder with 150-plus pages and CD with the electronic version. You can make as many copies as you need to train your employees. We've been helping companies since 1995. We are the leading forklift certification training in the USA and Canada. We are A+ on the Better Business Bureau. That's all we do, help people and companies to obtain their forklift certification, which is required by law. You can purchase the Train the Trainer Kit for only $354 plus $12 shipping. It will take 3 to 4 days to arrive in the mail. Purchase your kit at www.forkliftacademy.com/business and select Trainer Kit. Good luck and keep your employees safe.